Hi everyone, I'm Genene and I'm here to show you a dynamic stretching sequence. Today we're going to be doing standing twists. So what dynamic stretching means basically is, if you're familiar with the yoga asanas, generally we tend to hold a position for a longer period of time, several breaths. In these classes, we're going to be just moving one breath per movement in a dynamic way. So let's get started. Come to the front of your mat, and if you know that you need balance, you're going to right away just grab a chair for balance. And then come to Tadasana. Inhale, stretch your arms overhead, and exhale, hands in front of your heart. Getting used to moving one breath per movement. Inhale, stretch up, and exhale, hands in front of the heart. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, stretch your arms overhead in front of your heart. This time, keep them in front of your heart. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist your belly and your heart to the right. Keep your hips still. You might not move that far. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist left. So both frontal hip bone points are pointing forward. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. And we're keeping our nose and our hands and our heart in one straight line. Inhale, center. And exhale, left. And then inhale, center. Bring your arms down by your sides. So Parivrtta Utkatasana sequence, what we're going to do is going to be great to be energizing and going to help open up our hips and our chest. So start with hands in front of our hearts. Actually, start with arms by your side. And then if you need the chair, it's there. Otherwise, get it out of the way. And then Utkatasana with hands in front of heart. And exhale, straighten. Just like that. Utkatasana, knees bend, hips go back. And then exhale, come back to center. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now we twist. So inhale, hands in front of heart without moving the hips around. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, center. And exhale, Tadasana. Inhale, Utkatasana, hands in front of heart. Exhale, twist right. Use the entire inhale to come back to center. And then exhale, Tadasana. This time, arms out to the side. So inhale, Utkatasana, arms out to the side. Exhale, twist right. And inhale, center. Exhale, Tadasana. Inhale, arms out to the sides. Exhale, twist right. Inhale, center. Exhale, Tadasana. Now let's go back to hands in front of our heart. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, twist to the right, and this time bow forwards if you can. Hook your outer left upper arm against your outer right thigh. And then inhale, center, exhale, Tadasana. Try that again. So without moving the hips around, inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, twist right. Maybe you hook, maybe you don't. Inhale and exhale. You can do the same thing with arms out to the sides. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Maybe the arm will come all the way to the floor. Right arm reaches. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, Tadasana. Again, inhale. And then exhale, twist. Inhale, back to center. And exhale, Tadasana. Take a breath here. And we'll go to the other side. Inhale, hands to prayer as you come into Utkatasana. Exhale, twist left. Just stay upright. Inhale, center, and exhale, Tadasana. Inhale, hands in prayer. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, and come back to center, to Tadasana. Now, arms out to the sides this time. Inhale, Utkatasana, arms out. Exhale, twist from the belly and the heart to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, Tadasana. Inhale. Exhale, left. Inhale. Exhale. This time, hands in prayer again. Inhale, Utkatasana. This time, exhale, twist and bow, maybe connecting outer arm to outer thigh. Inhale up and exhale, Tadasana. So when you do this, if you don't know where your hips are, see where your knees are. Your knees should stay in line with each other as you twist. If you do not want to do this. See, the knees coming forward. We want to keep the knees together. So you can bring your legs completely together if that doesn't hurt you. So I'll try it with legs together. Ready? One more. Inhale, Utkatasana, hands in front of heart. Exhale, twist, bow, connect. Inhale, center. Exhale. And then inhale. And bring your arms out to the sides. Twist left. Maybe you can bow, touch the outer floor. And inhale, come back to center. And exhale, Tadasana. I'll say that better. Inhale, arms out to the sides, Utkatasana. Exhale, twist left, right hand on the floor on the outside of the left foot if it reaches. And then inhale, come back, exhale, Tadasana. Again, take another breath in and out. Nice big breath. This time, let's do Utkatasana with our arms overhead. So, inhale, Utkatasana, arms overhead. And then exhale, back to center. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Tadasana. Inhale, and exhale, and inhale, and exhale. Now, we're going to go right and left. So, inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, hands in prayer. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to the right. Keep your hips still, and you can twist wherever you want to twist. Inhale, center into Utkatasana. Exhale, twist to the left. Parivrtta Utkatasana. Inhale, back to center. Reach your arms overhead and exhale, Tadasana. Again, inhale. Exhale, hands in prayer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, center. And then exhale, inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, Tadasana, take a breath. Arms out to the sides, right and left. Inhale, first arms overhead, Utkatasana. Exhale, arms out to the side. Your inhale gives you an opportunity to lengthen. Exhale, twist to the right, and then you can stay here or bring the left hand to the outside of the right foot. Inhale, center, and exhale, right hand outside of left foot. Inhale, back to Utkatasana, arms overhead. Exhale, Tadasana. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, arms out. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist right, maybe bow. Inhale, center. Exhale, left, twist. Inhale to center. exhale, just for fun. Inhale, arms overhead. And exhale, Tadasana. Inhale, arms overhead. And exhale, hands in front of your heart. Thanks for joining me. And if you haven't already subscribed and you like this video, make sure that you subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below. And remember to like this video. That is very important because it lets me know I'm doing a good job. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Namaste.